In this video, you'll learn how to use the listing management tool with ivyflip. To get started from the ivyflip website, log in and click Go to Dashboard, and then click Listing Manager. From here, we can manage all of our listings and even create new listings which we can cross-list across all of the platforms. To get started, click the green button that says Draft. From here, we'll be able to create the master listing, which is the template we'll be using to cross-list your posts across all platforms. On this page, we can fill in the initial details that will be consistent across all of the platforms. Once you're done, click Create Draft, and now you'll be able to choose what marketplaces you want your listing to be posted on. From here, you also have the option of customizing the listing for each specific marketplace, whether it's choosing specific categories for that marketplace or just making a change. Once you're satisfied with what you got, click Publish Drafts to have it automatically post this listing across all of the marketplaces you selected. When this is happening, make sure not to touch your computer and just let it do its work. After a few seconds, the listing will be posted across each platform you selected. From here, you have the option of managing all of your listings. You can update the price en masse or even change this price on specific marketplaces for each listing. And one bonus about using the listing manager is it is also integrated with the ivyflip sales tracker. So after making a sale, you can easily add it into your built-in tracker to help you maintain financial visibility in your business and clear accounting records for yourself. And also with the listing manager, you're able to unpublish the listing from all the marketplaces at once, and you can also republish the listings to all of the marketplaces with just a single click.